No one's ever seen it before, but
Only because I'm with you.
this is Martin's nervous face. This is Dan's, and I don't like heights. Oh my god, that was so fast. That was crazy. Weird feeling. My ears popped 4 times. Yeah, Sky Tower in Tokyo. Oh my god. Like this. So Martin's a very brave man, so is Dan and so am I, because I'm terrified of heights, but you happy you came? You happy you came up? Look at the football, I look at the running pitch.
Yeah. I'm happy I think.
How small the people are.
I actually don't. You know what? I'm starting to feel a bit
better.
Yeah, better.
Happy bunny?
Happy bunny.
Incredible. Good man. Good man for being brave.
All about the experience, buddy.
That's it.
It's all about the experience.
It's all about the teriyaki burgers and McDonald's.
Yeah.
Boats and hoes. I love it. And Martin was just saying, hard to believe we were up all the way up there. Epic. T37s. It's like the new Honda Beat or something, is it? Right guys, so we just flew back to the hotel because we had to offload some baggage and stuff, but yeah, this place is absolutely banging at night. It's amazing, it's gorgeous. But we're gonna head out to Daikoku PA. We're not gonna stay out there too late because tomorrow we have a taxi to Tokyo Station and we are getting the bullet train to Osaka. So yep, this has been day 4, day 5 tomorrow, Osaka, but let's head to Daikoku PA.
Go straight on towards Yokohama.
Yokohama.
That's so tough. One of them.
Gan RS.
RS. Renault in Japan.
Jamie, on our way into Daikoku.
That's it. Daikoku PA.
How are you getting on back there, Dan?
I'm just awake.
I'm doing grand. I'm the old camera bitch for this journey.
Camera bitch, I like that. Camera bitch.
Bring me my camera.
Please turn slightly right.
I see a few cars leaving. R25 GTR.
Meters, you will arrive at the destination area. Turn slightly right.
Slightly right.
The destination area.
Oh, nice Porsche.
You will arrive at the
Evo.
destination area.
Oh, the police are here.
Yeah.
No, that's what the police have it blocked off.
That's it, first night in the PA, just having a wander around, just coming out for an hour because we're off to Osaka tomorrow, but Yeah, nice Evo. Let's see what else is here. Let's go. Let's go. Lexus Sora with R32 GTR wheels. Very nice, very nice. Yeah, this is going to be a different experience. Oh my god, it's a Miata. Okay, go back a bit. Ah, just when you thought you couldn't see enough American. Gorgeous, man. Oh, GTO. See that? Oh, it's a GTO. Newer shaped GTR, very nice, very clean, shiny. Then the new Nissan Z Nismo, BMW 523. R32 GTR. Beauty. Wagon. S15 spec car. What a beautiful car. And we have this beautiful legacy wagon. Haven't seen one of these in a really long time. It's really nice. Then you have Martin's kind of wagons. This bad boy. It's pretty cool. Yeah, Century. Pretty cool. Old school like Martin. That's one of them little white things that we seen earlier on. It's pretty cool. Tiny little car. So it's all closed off up here. As you can see, all the sirens and stuff. We're gonna head down to Shibuya PA and see what's happening there. We're not staying there long anyway, but yeah, we'll head down that way and give it a look. You know what we need in Springfield? A monorail. Sing it with me, boys. Monorail.
Monorail.
Monorail. Bye. That was cool. So guys, it's getting late. We didn't bother going to Shibuya PA because we're up at 4 o'clock in the morning to get the bullet train to Osaka, and we don't want to risk it. We need a bit of sleep. We're going to get some food. It's 8:30 now, so we're going to get some food and then bed hopefully for about 9 o'clock. We're up at 4, and then it's a 2.5 train ride, and then we're up all day for Universal. So I'm going to leave the video here. That's day, I can't even remember, day 4 over and out. And day 5 will be bullet train, Universal, Osaka. So yeah, peace out. Thanks for watching. Be dedicated, and I shall see you in the next one. Peace.